Hello guys, this is David Brown and today I'll teach you how to make the ginger mojito the healthy way. See you. So for this drink we'll need mint, which is very good for digestion and it's so refreshing, especially when you wake up in the morning, for example, but any time of the day will be doing fine. Then we have this lime, which is vitamin C, and we have ginger, fresh ginger, which is aphrodisiac and also very good for digestion. And after we'll talk about those two different waters. There's one soda here that we normally use to make mojitos. In that case, I would like, because we're doing sports, so we lose salt when we do sport. When you sweat, we lose salt, sodium in the body. So I think this is a better water because it has sodium inside and it helps you recover and replenish the salt that you lose. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first of all, we'll take two of mint. Okay, you can put it, or even 3. You can put I would suggest you to put all of it, because inside of this you have full of oil, and this is mint oil and it's so good for you. So I think it's not worth throwing away, and not only the leaves, then you should put inside all of it. Yes. Then what we will do, we'll press a little bit, just put it inside. I already cut 2 pieces of ginger, so here's ginger. Okay, and we will put also the lime. I would suggest you to put, because it's a non-alcoholic drink, so always when it's a non-alcoholic drink and it has lime inside, I suggest you to put a whole lime, because like this it gives more taste to the drink. So you can do it with this, or you also can do it with your hands. Very easy. You press, if you don't have it at home, you can press with your fingers until there is no more juice inside. And when you're sure that there's nothing, you can stop, but it goes faster with this one. So this is done, and we will start pressing. So when you press gently, because what you don't want to bring out the bitterness of the mint. This is it. You don't have to squeeze, you just press down, press down, press down. Okay. And stevia liquid, be careful, it's very powerful in the taste, so I put 1 and 2, that's it. Okay, it's like less than 50 milliliter, and then you mix well. There you go. It smells delicious already. And then we take the crushed ice. Crushed ice is always better, because like this, it keeps under the mint. It goes faster also, so it's even a more fresher drink this way, because it dilutes. There you go. Then we will open the salty water with gas, I say. But you know what? If you don't like with salt, you can do it with normal soda water, which I think it will be doing fine. Then you pour. There you go. You take the spoon again. Any spoon will do. I have this one because I'm still a bartender. But this is a good spoon to use. And you go like this. And when it's done, you can decorate it. So we'll take this again. You put one of these inside, and you have this amazing, refreshing mojito, virgin. I don't like to use virgin name because I think it's a more healthy mojito, so positive for you. And what you have to do now is drink it. So let's try. Super duper delicious.